We all have days when we feel stuck in a bad mood, and it seems like nothing can pull us out of it. But the truth is, you have more control over your emotions than you think. With the right mindset and simple daily habits, you can shift your energy, lift your spirits, and bring joy back into your day. From positive affirmations and exercise to small self-care rituals that actually work, this video will give you practical, proven tips to help you cheer yourself up and feel better, starting today. Change what you're doing. A simple shift like watching a funny movie after a long day or going for a walk after sitting too long can refresh your mood and lift your spirits. Go outside to lift your mood. A walk in the park, some sunshine, or even a rainy stroll can reduce stress and boost energy. Enjoy nature, fresh air, or a beautiful sunset to feel refreshed. Exercise to boost your mood. Even a few minutes of activity, like a workout, a walk, or a game with friends, releases feel-good chemicals that reduce stress and lift your spirits. Do something that makes you smile to instantly lift your mood. Watch a funny show or movie, call a friend who makes you laugh, or treat yourself to something small like a coffee or dessert. You could also read, dance around at home, or try a creative hobby. Even simply smiling, whether you feel like it or not, can help brighten your day. Listen to your favorite upbeat music. Happy, uplifting tunes can instantly boost your mood, so make a playlist of songs that always cheer you up. Meditate daily, even for just 5 minutes. It can calm stress, improve your mood, and boost focus. You can also try yoga or simple breathing exercises to relax and feel better. Hug someone you love to boost your mood. Physical affection releases feel-good hormones. If no one's around, try a quick self-massage or connect with a friend by call or text. Cuddle your pet to lift your mood and ease stress. Whether it's snuggling, playing, or taking your dog for a walk, spending time with pets boosts happiness and strengthens your bond. Make your space comforting by surrounding yourself with things you love, photos, plants, or souvenirs. Brighten the room with natural light, a lamp, or even a candle to lift your mood and create a soothing atmosphere. Make your space smell good to boost your mood. Light a favorite candle or try aromatherapy. Lemon oil can uplift, while lavender helps reduce stress. Just use oils safely and avoid ingesting them. Clean up your space to reduce stress and lift your mood. Decluttering, organizing, or donating items you don't need can make your environment more calming and functional. Decorate with color to brighten your mood. Add cheerful shades like yellow for energy or pink for playfulness. Even soft tones can make your space feel more uplifting and welcoming. Distract yourself instead of dwelling on problems. Shift your focus with activities like puzzles, crosswords, or simply noticing your surroundings. Refocusing on what you can control can help lift your mood. Recite positive affirmations to boost confidence and shift negative thoughts. Simple phrases like, "I am calm and capable," or "I always find solutions," can help you feel stronger and happier. Reframe your situation by looking at it from a new perspective. Find the silver lining, focus on what you've learned, or remind yourself that tomorrow will be better. Practice gratitude to brighten your mood and improve your outlook. Take a moment each day to notice small things you're thankful for, like a beautiful sunrise or a kind gesture. You can even keep a simple list of 3 positives each night. Over time, this habit can boost your optimism, strengthen relationships, and increase your overall well-being. Thanks for watching.